All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, the long reach high speeds have hit the market. As you can see, I've got the 3/8 and the 1/4 inch. And I gotta say, my baby may be going to the retirement drawer. This is, of course, my, well-used 1/4 inch extended reach that I've been asked by P10 what my favorite tool is. This is it. Love this tool. I use it all the time. I think I found its replacement. We got to talk about the high speed part of it. It does reduce the torque, which in comparison to that one might not be a bad thing because 1/4 inch. But that is one of my most used tools. I use it literally every day. And it is one of those tools that I would immediately replace it. There would be no question about it. It would get replaced. Not waiting for warranty. It would get bought. I'd have it because I want to have it replaced. This is probably just going to replace it. High speed, similar torque, don't know the spec. I get questioned about not knowing the specs of tools I'm reviewing. The specs don't matter. When I talk about tools, it's real world use. And the fact is that what it says on the box doesn't mean anything if it doesn't work in the real world. That's why I talk about the tools I use. Now, I've only used these tools for a day and a half. So obviously this is not a full review, but this may be my new best friend. Now, similar form factor. Now, they did get rid of the notch on the 1/4 inch, so it's a little slimmer. Plastic goes up a little further than it used to. It's a little slightly bulkier down here than here, but overall, more or less the same. But the head's a little smaller, which hasn't been too much of an issue. Now, the 3/8, it basically has the same amount of power. The difference is it's 3/8. Now, they're high speed, so they go faster. Flat rate, fast, fast, fast. But you lose some torque. Now, one of the complaints is obviously on the regular 3/8, the head's big. It is. But it's also pretty dang durable. Now, when I talk about manual torque, I'm talking about you pushing on it, not pushing the paddle. They don't give a spec. They don't want to, they don't give a spec. I could tell you I have pushed really hard on the original model extended reaches, the high speeds, and they've pretty much taken everything I've thought I could give them without problems. So they're plenty tough. I just don't have a spec to give you because they don't give us a spec. They just give you the torque it puts out. The 3/8 is going to be really good for those, tighter clearance areas. But my favorite's still going to be the 1/4 inch. I love my 1/4 inch. I'm going to be giving these the business and see how they do. Is the less torque really so much of an issue? But yeah, the 1/4 inches are available, so there will be a link to Milwaukee's site in the description. I don't do affiliate links for Milwaukee tools. I want you to make sure you buy from a place that's going to warranty them, so I don't do Amazon links. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.